Hello my dear 3D printing enthusiasts. Today I would like to share with you a quick topic how to keep your spool filament in dry and good conditions. So in front of you can see AMS automatic material system from BambooLab. This is pretty nice box which allow you to print materials using different materials within different colors, and you know how important to make sure that your prints going well. It's important to keep your materials and filament in dry condition. It's so easy to destroy your print just with too humid air, so people doing different stuff, and I would like to share some tips and tips from my side. So what I did, I printed I have some nice and funny humidity meter, and I made printed for it some case, fancy case, so it's showing the air humidity in my room, so you can see it's not so low level, and the storing filaments with this humidity can easily change the quality of your print. So what people usually do, we have here AMS system. There are plenty of places here, so there are some tricks, easy tricks which people usually do. So if you have this nice premium quality silica gel, you can just easily put inside your AMS system. There are plenty of space here. It's the most easiest and simple way to do this. Sometimes people put additional stuff inside the spools. There are some places. Okay, I'm just kidding. There are a lot of different ways how to make your keep your AMS dry, and I would like to share some simple stuff with you. And since we have 3D printers, why do not use 3D printing for making this kind of fix? So let's see. Let me show you what I have here. So I found on the makerworld's website nice models for AMS system. You can see, for example, here you can find the different models, but I decided this one is pretty neat because there are 4 of them, so all spaces inside will be fully visualized. They are accurately measured, and there are some cups here. So let's see how it will work. So this is the first way how we're going to dry our AMS. Additional one, I decided to print this nice adjustable box for spools, fulfillment spools. So you can put material inside, silica gel inside, and then you can easily put it inside your spool and adjust the size of it, so it should fit in most of the models. Well, let's see how it will go. I have this pretty good box of orange Desiccant. Let's see how it will work. I still haven't tried, but let's figure out together what we can do. Just wanted to demonstrate you some disadvantages of simple pulling these packages inside AMS. Now it's not so easy to extract it. I have some tool with me, but it required a little bit of work to remove it and change. So yeah. Okay, let's start our work. Let's remove our AMS for now, for a little, and let's try to fill this silica gel containers which I recently printed. Know that people complain that the most complicated part is to not, make a mess with all these small balls. Or I printed this small tool, but seems like it's not fit ideally with the size of my unit box. I'll start to break it accurately and clean. Okay, let's put it here and down inside. A bit more. Despite the fact that it's quite small, it works pretty nicely. Try to make the stuff much more accurate for stops. Alright. Let's add a little bit material in here. Right, full box and a little bit here. Yeah, like a lot of stuff up. Alright, let's share it. Right. And don't forget to close the lip, otherwise you'll start working just right away. Okay, we have a special caps here, let's see. Oh, you'll go. Oh, nice. Closed. Let's see. This one. Okay, is it done? Another two. No, this was pretty easy. And the last one. Right. But now we have 4 boxes of silica gel. See? And one more box outside here. It's so bad, but yeah, it might be more. It might be more accurate. Is this? Alright. Okay. Okay, let's try to fill one container for our spool. Then let's put this cup here and accurately add gallon inside. Now some space. Okay, a little bit more. I guess it should be. Don't forget to close the lid. And close this guy as well. Okay, nice and tight. Okay, let's try to put it inside our AMS system. Just a note about this Desiccant. The guidance says that by default yellow color, but when it will be full with water, it changes the color to green. So let's see, and then in theory you can refill it. Yeah, let's see. Recharge it. Recharge in microwave or oven. Let's see. No, you'll try it later. It should be good to go. Couple more pop and yep. Okay, here's our MS and let's try to put these boxes inside. I believe we need to temporarily remove the spool and yeah, probably avoid the kept open. See, a little bit pie, but yeah, it's nice. It's sitting. It's good. Let's go with the next one. Next one. Okay. Good. Looks good. Let's put it back. And next one. I decided to keep this needle stuff empty because it will give a space for my hydrometer. Yeah, so let's put the boxes on the displays and this one. It's actually not so easy, but feel okay. The package. Put it inside. What we have here, I guess I have some cutting of my equipment, and this is an example if there is a humid air, what happening with your filament. Can easily be broken. Okay, I will fix it later, it's not a big issue. Alright, and what else? I also would like to put this bag inside one of my spool, and let's see. And I have this container for one of the spool. I have empty spool, so let's put this here. Space. Let's see how it will work. Oh. Put it here and close it. It looks pretty tight. Let's say pretty solid. Not bad. And these things. But and one of the advantages of this, because of spool become more heavy, you probably notice that sometimes if there is not so much filament inside, your spool started to jump outside of the MES system. For people doing some hacks, like for example this one, I will show it in a separate video. This is a special tool which make this spool a little bit more heavy. Okay, looks good. And it's later. Let's move the little package. Packages inside. In additional packages here, we have some space inside. As much dry air we will have, as much better. Okay. Let's add it here and here. I can have full of MES of our silica gel, and again, this is my hydrometer. You can see the count level of the humidity in there, pretty high. Let's see, let's put it inside. Inside the MES. Put it in a nice position and close, and let's watch the result later. Okay, here you can see how it looks like inside my MES. So 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes with silica gel, hydrometer in the needle, and some packages inside, spools and additional tool inside spool. So let's see after some time how to change our humidity level inside. Okay, and now we can see how much level of humidity decreased inside. 90%. Awesome results. Thank you guys for watching. You can find links on these models in the description. Hit subscribe and like button and see you around.